Hi guys, welcome to Ivon's kitchen. And so today we are preparing Goan Veg Forminhas, and I'm going to show you step by step how to make it in a simple way. And let's start with the recipe now. First keep 3 cups of water, allow it to boil. Then add 1 cup small diced carrot. Add 1 cup finely cut green beans. Add 1 cup small diced potatoes. Then add some salt to taste. Then give this a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then take 6 tablespoons mayonnaise. Add half teaspoon crushed black pepper and give this a mix. Then check on the vegetables. Make sure they are nice and soft. When ready, simply strain the water. Then add the mayonnaise mix to the vegetables and give this a really nice mix. Then take some Forminhas tart shells and fill it with vegetable mix. And so my recipe is ready now. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comments. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. You can try this recipe for any occasions like parties, birthday parties, weddings. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.